Welcome back to Weems Motor Co. Today, we're going to take some old choppers out on a run. Stick around. Alright, so here's the story. I had 3 friends here in the Tampa Bay area that were all inspired to build old motorcycles. Each one of these people decided they're going to take a genre of a motorcycle or an area that they're from and build a bike, and they're going to do a ride together, an endurance, to see who can make it or who breaks down first. Love the idea of it. So these 3 individuals, a gentleman by the name of Kiefer, he was building a Japanese inspired chopper, and then we had another guy by the name of Devin. He was building an American inspired chopper. And then, you know, Jack, he's been on our channel. We've been helping him out with his bike, and he's building a British-inspired chopper. So today is the day that these 3 individuals set to make it a ride, to see who can make it the furthest, to see who will break down, to see who's going to have the greatest amount of fun. And I said, what better opportunity than to jump on the Judge, the 1950 Triumph that we built recently for a ride ourselves, and bring it up and do the ride with these guys. Support them, cheer them on as they go out and have a blast. That's where we're going. Let's go meet up with them right now. Let's see who got their bikes done and who didn't.
So here we are at the meetup spot. We got Devin, we got Jack. Jack's on a 66 Triumph. Devin on a 73 Ironhead. So I want to say congratulations to both of you guys for actually doing it, for getting bikes together, getting them riding. I know I've been helping you a lot, but you didn't get any help, did you? No. All by yourself, right? So there's been this little talk about toolkits and what to bring on a ride when you're riding an old chopper. And Jack, you overpacked. You really overpacked.
Have you seen my bike?
I've seen your bike a lot, and I've worked on your bike a lot. Regardless, you packed too much. What'd you bring? Like a pair of pliers and the spark plug wrench or something? There you go.
Flashlight and cigar. When I break down.
Boom, that's it right there. Minimalistic. If you're riding a chopper, an old motorcycle, especially bikes that are like this old, you don't need a whole lot. You just need to have fun, and I think that's what we're gonna do today.
I'm having fun. Well, I know you will. It's not fun pushing my bike home.
Well, hopefully we don't have to push any bikes into trailers or anything like that.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Jack's got enough tools for everybody. I think I packed a set of spark plugs, a crescent wrench, and a screwdriver, and a pair of pliers. Like, if I can't fix it with that, I don't need to be riding it.
Well, all my stuff fits in the front bag. I mean, I wanted to keep it down to at least that. It's not like I'm rolling with a trailer with a toolbox on the back of it.
Did anybody bring extra gas?
Nope. I got a full tank.
That's my part of the video. We're gonna be riding the Judge today. We're gonna figure out how many miles I can get out of that tank. I got a little trip planned after you guys to see how far I can make it out. And then once I run out of gas, I'll just top it off and fill it up. So let's see these old choppers fire up, and let's get some miles on the road, guys. Ready to do it?
Yep, let's do it.
Let's do this.
on the 99 Problems ride. We got Devin on the 73 Harley and Jack on the 66 Triumph. Already pulling off, don't know what's going on. We got literally a half a mile into this ride and we're pulling over. So we'll see what's happening. Both bikes are still running. Seat springs. That'll get you every time. Too easy. Nothing a couple bolts can't fix, but that's not going to stop us from riding. Let's keep going on these old choppers. Nothing like riding old motorcycles with your friends. When we're talking about motorcycles that were made before these guys were born, including the motorcycle that I'm on, and I thought I might be the oldest person here. Now that's actually Jack. He's the oldest person on this ride, and he's on that 66 Triumph. Devin rocking on the 73 Sportster. All having a great time cruising through Florida. We're gonna put about 60 miles on these motorcycles. Hopefully the endurance of the old iron will make its way through all the way back to Weems Motor Co., where we're all going to have a shot when we're all done with this. So making sure we're staying safe, making sure the bikes are running good, making sure we're maintaining a good distance. I'm staying back a little bit because this is an endurance ride for these old motorcycles. God forbid an old part fall off of Jack's bike, which has done many times, and hits me. I don't want that to happen at all. So we're going to be safe as possible, but enjoy what's going on with all these good friends. No rush, no hurry, just nice cruising, as Jack says, low and slow. Looks like Devin just lost his oil cap. Not a big deal. We'll stick a rag in there or something. We'll make sure he's good to go.
Right as I got to it.
Sammy, come here. Come here. Put it on there. Come on, over here. Put it on.
Right as I got there.
Put it on there for him. Punch it in. Boom! That'll do it.
What's up, Bubba?
She just shut off.
You're not supposed to break down.
I know. Hey, I can edit all that out.
So Jack made it out. Devin made it out. We're approximately halfway through our ride. How are your bikes performing?
Haven't lost anything.
You haven't lost anything.
Nothing's fallen off yet.
Have you lost anything?
Besides my sanity and that oil plug.
Yeah, but you found it. You got it back, right?
Yeah.
We're doing good, boys.
Yeah.
I think the plan is to go from here, get to Weems Motor Co., and we're all going to have a shot of bourbon and have a good time, right?
Sounds good to me.
Sounds good?
Sounds
good? If I could keep from myself from breaking down, I think we'll be doing better, right?
Right, exactly. Come on, keep up, man.
Jeez, that guy. So we made it to Tony's Liquors. Now the plan is to make it back to Weems Motor Co. so we can all go celebrate riding all of these awesome motorcycles through Florida. All the good times, a lot of great friends here. Let's go back and have a shot. Looks like we lost a part off of Jack's bike. It's all good, just makes it run better. Hey! We lost Devin. We lost Devin.
I don't know where he is.
Last little stop, we had to wait up for Devin. He's got that rigid Sportster with the Springer on the front. That last row was a little bit of a pogo jump. But we got great friends. High-fiving it up. Yeah, ready to rock and roll on some choppers. Got some Dynabros. Got some super brand new Harleys. Got some somewhat old Harleys. And we got Triumphs, the coolest motorcycle in the world. So Devin has the hardest time getting his bike started out of all of us, so I am waiting for him to get his bike going first, and then I'll get on the Judge, the 1950 Triumph, and we'll get on the road and get these people to Weems Motor Co. Oh, it wanted to go. Oh, never a good day. Get a chopper, they said. Make it kickstart. Look cool in front of all of your friends. It's the hardest thing ever. Oh, it wants to go. Come on, baby. There we go. Here we go. Back on the road, heading to Weems Motor Co. Just want to say it's been fun so far. Bikes are running great. Everything's going good. Taking my friends to the house. The last leg of the journey. Such a great day. It's such an amazing time. Let's get this thing over with so we can go have a shot of bourbon. Let's get it done. and the 50 Triumph. She's out. She's done her last bit. We're gonna gas it up real quick. So there you have it, about 50 miles for a tank of gas on the 1950 Drudge. Makes sense, 1950, 50 miles to the gallon. Not the most conducive, but this bike's not really made for doing long distance ride. This bike is made to look cool and ride around town and stop at every gas station every 50 miles. So that's that. Let's get the rest of this group back over to Weems Motor Co. so we can have a shot of bourbon and celebrate all of these old motorcycles making it on this journey. Let's get there.
All right, made it all the way through the 99 problems run, and probably, I don't know, probably 96 of the problems were mine. Because, yeah, I apologize. I apologize, but we made it here to Weems Motor Co. And as a congratulations, not only are we all going to take a little bit of sip of some really nice Weller's bourbon. If you don't know what that is, look it up for yourself. But the two guys, the winners, I was going to like give a cash prize for the person who made it back, but they both made it back. Jack had that little bit of problems there with the cable. I think it kind of nulled each other out because you lost something, you lost something. But you still both made it here under your own power, so that's a good thing. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna hook you guys up with shop rags so you can wipe all the grease off of your motorcycles, some stickers, and all of that. But right now we're gonna take some beautiful bourbon.
At least mine's Triumph grease.
Hey, I'm sure it all came from
my ass when it's over.
all of our grease came from Saudi Arabia or some Arab country,
true.
so whatever. We're all good. So let's drink up, guys. Let's have a good time. Congratulations, Jack. Congratulations, my friend Devin. Let's drink. Cheers.
Cheers, stay in problem track.
Cheers. With that, we're going to wrap up the video. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you to all of my friends for being here, part of the fun. If you are new around here, jump down and hit that subscribe button. If you really like the video, hit that thumbs up, turn those notifications on, and let everyone know what's going on here at
Weems Motor Co. It's the best.